Okay, good afternoon. In the last lecture, we seen that what is the representation of a linear transformation by matrix. Okay, so today we will see one example on it. So example number one. Example number one. Let T be a linear transformation. Let capital T be a linear transformation. Okay, linear transformation on the vector space on the vector space defined by on the vector space instead of v2 over f. Okay, that is r2 over r2 over any field v2 over f into v2 over f. Okay, and defined by t of x1 x2, okay, is equal to x1 0 for all x1 and this x2 belongs to v2 over f. Okay, ordered tuple. Okay, so write the matrix T, write the matrix capital T relative to the standard ordered basis. Standard ordered basis. Okay, what is the standard ordered basis for V2 over F? Domain and codomain. What is the basis here? Beta.
0, 0,
1 0 and
0, 1.
0 1 and beta star or B1. Basis B1 is the basis for the codomain, and also for the codomain this one is the same. Okay, 0 1 and 1 0 and 0 1. This is the basis of our codomain. Now answer, we have to find the matrix of transformation, that is the matrix of T related to the standard ordered basis B and B1. Okay, what is given to us? Answer. Write down all the things first. Let here given T is the linear transformation from V2 over F to V2 over F. Be a linear transformation defined by T of x1 x2 is equal to x1 comma 0. Okay, and let this beta is equal to standard ordered basis beta is equal to 1 0 and 0 1. This is the basis of our domain. Okay, and suppose this one is E1 is equal to 1 0 and E2 is equal to 0 1. Okay, B standard ordered basis. Okay, for V2 over F. Here the domain and codomain is same, so there is no need to write once again this one V1. Okay, so here let B is equal to 1 0 and 0 1 with the standard ordered basis for V2 over F. Now consider, we have to find the matrix of transformation for this transformation. T of x1 x2 x1 comma x2 is equal to x1 0. Okay, so first write the T of E1, T image of E1, this vector. Okay, what is T of E1? That is T of 1 0. By this mapping, T of 1 0 is equal to what?
1, 0.
1 0. Okay, 1 la 1 असेल second coordinate automatic 0 होईल. And T of E2, what is T of E2? T of 0 1. By this transformation, T of x1 x2 is equal to x1 comma 0
0, 0.
0 0. Okay, now this is T of E1 and this is T of E2, that is alpha 1 and alpha 2. Okay, in the last lecture we see that what is alpha 1 and alpha 2 is the basis vector of domain, and t of alpha 1 and t of alpha 2 we can write in the form of linear combination of basis of codomain. Now basis of codomain is what here again 1 0 and 0 1. So write down this t of e1, okay, in terms of linear combination of 1 0 and 0 1. T of e2 is equal to this is 1 0, this is 0 1. Write down in the linear combination of basis element of codomain. This is the now basis element of our codomain. So what will be the scalars such that this vector will be 1 0 and this vector will be 0 0. काय येईल इथे स्केलर कोणता येईल here 1, this one is 0, this is 0 into this
0.
one is 0. Okay, now the coordinate, okay, so here t of e1 is equal to 1 into e1, that is 1 into e1 plus 0 into e2, and t of e2 is equal to 0 into e1 plus 0 into e2. Okay, now hence the matrix of t, okay, with respect to beta, okay, here the domain and codomain is same, so again here we no need to write here again the basis. Okay, so matrix of t with respect to standard ordered basis b, Kyle order Kyle 2 cross 2. Okay, this is 2 cross 2. Now this vector 1 and 0 right in the column. So this 1 and 0 and this is 0 and 0. This is the second column. So this is the matrix of linear transformation. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
ओके, आता हा मॅट्रिक्स जो आहे तो ह्याच्यात अप्लाय करा या वेक्टरवर कोणत्या e1, t of e1 काय येईल e1 काय तुमचा this is 1 0 0 0. What is e1? e1 is nothing but 1 0. Okay, now do the product of this one. काय येईल पहा तुमचं काय येईल t of e1 हा तुमचा काय आला पाहिजे 1 0 यायला पाहिजे. Okay, now do the matrix multiplication of these two. 1 into 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 0, so 1 plus 0 is 0, so 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 plus 0 0. Now this is 1, that is t of 1 0 is equal to what 1 0. Ala, now what is t of e2? T of it is equal to t of, write down this e2 in the column vector now. Okay, 0 1, which is equal to what is 3 matrix of t 1 0 0 0. Okay, in the column vector this one is 0 1. And what is the multiplication of these two matrices? 0 0. Okay, hence the matrix of transformation is correct. ओके, अजून एक एक्झाम्पल घेऊ म्हणजे समजेल. आता बीटा आणि बीटा 1 हा वेगवेगळे घेऊया. ओके, सपोज एक्झाम्पल नंबर 2, t is the transformation from R2, okay, instead of like this one, R2 over R to R3 over R. Okay, defined by t of xy is equal to x plus y, x minus y, and suppose this one is x. Okay, now take the basis, standard order basis for codomain R2 is 1 0, wait, this one is 1 0 and 0 1, this one is beta, and the codomain basis is 1 0 0 0 1 0, and third vector is 0 0 1. Okay. Now, answer. Find matrix of linear transformation T with respect to beta, and this is beta. Okay. Now, what is T of E1, which is equal to T of 1 0 is equal to x plus y, 1 plus 0, 1. X minus y, 1 minus 1 is 1 minus 0 is 1. And third coordinate is x. X is 1. Okay, so this one is 1. T of E2, that is equal to T of 0 1. What is T of 0 1? T of 0 1 is x plus y. This is 1. X minus y minus 1. Okay, and x is coordinate is 0. Now write down this T of E1 and T of E2 in the form of linear combination of this basis now. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. So T of E1 is what? 1 and 1. Sorry. 1 1 comma 1. This one is 0, sorry, 1 minus 1 and 0. Okay. So this is 1 0 0 plus 0 1 0 plus 0 0 1. Similarly here. Okay, plus. Okay. What is the scalar for here? 1 into 1 into now 1. This one is 1 minus 1 and 0. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So matrix of T with respect to beta and beta 1 is equal to काय येईल? H dimension किती आहे? Order किती by किती जाईल? H order किती आहे? 3. So 3 by 2. Okay, 3 rows and 2 columns यायला हवा. Okay, whatever be the dimension of codomain, that will be the number of columns. Sorry, number of rows. And whatever be the dimension of domain, that will be the number of columns. So here the matrix of transformation of order 3 by 2. Okay, so this is 1, this coefficient. Now this coefficient is again 1, and this one is 1. Okay, and second column is 1 minus 1 and 0. So this will be 3 cross 2. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, समजा तुम्ही इथं जर तुम्ही हा basis change केला. If we change the basis, beta 1 is equal to, take this one, 1 1 0 0 1 1 and 1 0 1. Okay, if suppose you taken instead of this b1 this one. Okay, but this is not standard basis. Okay, म्हणजे तुमचा बेसिस चेंज केल्यानंतर इथे काय होईल, इथले स्केलर्स पण काय होतील तुमचे चेंज होतील. ओके, इज इट करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
ओके, त्यामुळे हा स्टँडर्ड हा शब्द काय यूज केलाय, बिकॉज हा आपण स्टँडर्ड अजूम केलेला आहे. आणि समजा हा ऑर्डर मी चेंज केला, हा इथे घेतलाय आणि हा इथे घेतला, तर काय होईल, हा कोएफिशियंट इकडे येईल आणि हा कोएफिशियंट इकडे येईल. जर वेगळा असेल तर काय झालं असतं, मग हा मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये चेंज झाला असता. इज इट करेक्ट? Okay, so hence we taken in the specific order. That's why we choose the word standard ordered basis. Okay, त्यामुळे हा आपण ordered basis हा शब्द यूज करतो. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, so we will move towards our next point. Okay, any doubt up to here? कोणाला काय डाउट्स असतील ते विचारू शकता. Okay, okay. So next theorem is, let V and W be the vector space, finite dimensional vector space, and matrix of T is equal to, is the transpose of, look at here, this theorem. The next theorem is statement, let capital V and W be finite dimensional vector space over the field F, over the field capital F. Okay, and let this beta, okay, beta be an ordered basis. Okay, ordered basis for V with dual basis V star B star with dual basis beta star. Okay, and let B1 be an ordered basis, be an ordered basis for W. Okay, with dual basis beta 1 star or B1 star. Okay, and let capital T be a linear transformation. Capital T be a linear transformation from V into W. Capital W. And let A be the matrix of T. Okay, matrix of this linear transformation T. Okay, relative to the B1 and B. Relative to B and P1. Okay, and let this one is B. Okay, this beta and beta 1, and suppose this one is B. Be the matrix, be the matrix of T transpose. Okay, T transpose relative to B1 star to B star. Then we have to show that this matrix of B is equal to A transpose. Okay, or this Bij is equal to A transpose Ij. Okay, or we can write this one. Wait a minute. Bij, small Bij is equal to A transpose Ij. Okay, what is the statement? Let V and W be the finite dimensional vector space over the field F, and let B is the ordered basis for V, and B star, beta is the unordered basis for V, and B star is the ordered basis for dual basis of V. That is the B star is what? Dual basis of V star. And let beta 1 is the ordered basis for the W, and beta 1 star is the dual basis of beta 1. Okay, and let T be the linear transformation from V to W, and A be the matrix of linear transformation T with relative to the basis beta and beta 1, and this B is the matrix of T transpose relative to B1 star and B star. Okay, then we have to show that B is equal to A transpose. Matrix of T transpose is equal to transpose of matrix of T. Okay. T is the linear transformation from V to W. Okay, and T transpose is the linear transformation from W star to what? V star. ऐसा basis क्या है? B. Sorry, beta. This one is beta 1. Okay, what will be the basis of this one is beta 1 star. And what is the basis of V star is V star. Okay, matrix of T relative to the basis beta and beta 1 is equal to what? A. Okay, and what is the matrix of T transpose relative to the basis B1 star to B star, that is beta 1 star or B star. Okay, this matrix is B, and we have to show that this B is equal to A transpose. आता येईल क्लियर? कळालं आता व्यवस्थित? T is the transformation from V to W. T transpose is the transformation from W star to V star. Basis for the V is beta. Basis for the W is beta 1. Basis for W star is B1 star. Basis for the V star is B star. And matrix of T with the relative to the basis B, beta and beta 1 is A. And matrix of T transpose relative to the basis B1 star and B star is equal to B. And we have to show that B is equal to A transpose. Okay. Now, proof. Let dimension of V is equal to N. Okay. And dimension of W is equal to M. Okay. So let, how many elements in beta then? Alpha 1, alpha 2. काय येतील? किती elements येतील?
N times.
N. Okay. This one is alpha N. Similarly, B star मध्ये किती elements असतील? B star is the basis for
N element.
B star. Okay. B star म्हणतो बीटा स्टार याच्यामध्ये पण काय असतील फंक्शनल असतील n फंक्शनल्स f1 f2 अप टू सो ऑन fn. ओके हा कोणाचा बेसिस आहे v चा हा b स्टार. ओके डायमेन्शन ऑफ v and dimension of v star is same. What is beta 1? How many elements in beta 1?
M.
Okay, suppose this one is beta 1, beta 2 up to so on beta m. Okay, and beta 1 star. This is the basis for the W and this one is basis for W star. Okay, suppose the basis of W star is equal to G1, G2 up to so on Gm. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt up to here?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now B star. Since beta star or B star is dual of beta, okay, and beta 1 star is dual of beta 1. Okay, then by the definition we can write by definition of dual basis, we can write, okay, this Fi of alpha j is equal to what is Fi of alpha j is equal to
Chronicle delta.
delta ij. Okay, similarly gk of beta l is equal to conical delta kl. Okay, now let capital T is linear transformation from capital V into W, okay, which is given to us, and T transpose is linear transformation from T transpose is the linear transformation from how? Couldn't put a
W star to V.
W star into V star. Okay, let again assume all the things first. Let A be the matrix of T. A be the matrix of T relative to beta and beta 1. Okay, of order. काय असेल order? Of order
M cross N.
M cross N. Okay, M cross N. Then we have A is equal to small aij. Okay, of order M cross N. Okay, A is the matrix of T relative to the basis beta and beta 1. Then what is the order of A? A is equal to aij with order M cross N. So then by the definition we have by the definition, we have this T of alpha j. Okay, T is the what? T is the linear transformation from V to W. Okay, HA, basis क्या? What are the basis of V? Alpha i's, and this is beta i's, beta j's. I running from 1 to n, j running from 1 to m. Okay, so we can write T of alpha I in the linear combination of elements of beta j. Okay, by the matrix of transformation. This T of alpha j we can write A1j beta 1 plus A2j, okay, beta 2 plus up to so on. How many elements? AMJ beta m. Okay, where j running from 1 to up to so on n. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, हा matrix कसा दिसेल? A11 A12 किती एलिमेंट्स आहेत? एकूण रो किती आहेत? कॉलम्स n. So up to so on A1n. Okay, this one is M1 up to so on AMN.
Amen.
ओके, म्हणजे तुमचा हा फर्स्ट कॉलम म्हणजे काय असेल? तुमचा टी ऑफ अल्फाचे जे काय असतील सगळे स्केलर्स. इज इट करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
If alpha is alpha j for j is equal to 1, t of alpha 1 is equal to what? A11, A21 आहेत का इथे एलिमेंट? येस. फॉर j रनिंग फ्रॉम 1 to n. हे कोएफिशिएंट म्हणजे काय असतील? T of alpha 2 चे सगळे कोएफिशिएंट्स असतील. Okay, if we write T of alpha 2 in the linear combination of beta 1, beta 2 up to so on beta m, then this column will be the what? The scalars of all the scalars of this equation. Okay, any doubt now?
No, sir.
Okay, wait. Wait a minute, okay. So j running from here 1 to n. Okay, so this is T of alpha j is equal to summation I running from 1 to m aij bi. Okay, I running from 1 to m, correct, and j running from 1 to up to so on n. Suppose this is equation number 2, and this one give this equation number 1. Suppose this one is equation 1. These two are okay. Now let B be the matrix. B be the matrix of what? Transpose of T, na? Transpose of the linear transformation T relative to basis beta 1 star and B star. Okay, is it correct? Of order T transpose is the transformation
N
from
cross M.
W cross to V star. And what is the order of this one? Is basis m dimensional, this one is n dimensional. So what will be the order of this one? Is n cross m. Okay, okay, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait a minute. So let B be the matrix of transformation of T, transpose of T relative to the basis beta 1 star and beta star. Okay, so if beta is equal to, call the coefficients Bij, okay, Bij with of order n cross m, then by definition T transpose of इथे काही element of W star, that is basis is Gj, na? Okay, Gj, j running from 1 to n is equal to, we can write this element in the form of summation, असंच equation 2 प्रमाणे. It is now I running from 1 to n now. Okay. I running from 1 to n bji into fi. Okay. T transpose is the mapping from W star to V star. Okay. H element का basis element F1, F2, F3, and this one is G1, G2, G3 up to Gm. Okay. So here every element T transpose of Gj we can write in the form of linear combination of element of Fi. ओके. आणि जो काही मॅट्रिक्स असेल तुमचा त्यातला पहिला कॉलम म्हणजे काय असेल तुमचे हे सगळे स्केलर. ओके. दुसरा कॉलम काय असेल G2, T ट्रान्सपोज ऑफ G2 चे सगळे स्केलर्स असतील. ओके. इज इट करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
ओके. So here T transpose of Gi is equal to summation I running from 1 to n Bji into Fi. Okay, give it an equation number 3rd. Now since T transpose of Gi is the element of V star. Okay, that is T transpose of Gi is a linear functional. Is it correct? Linear functional on other element high functional. This one is functional and belongs to V star. So T transpose of Gi is the linear functional on काय V star काय collection of all the linear functionals on
V.
V. Okay, so this is the linear functionals on V. Okay, so we know that in the last lectures we seen one theorem. If f is a linear functional, f is the linear functional on the finite dimensional vector space V, then we can write this functional f is equal to summation j running from 1 to n f of alpha j into fj. Okay, एक theorem पाहिला होता आपण. This linear functional we can write is equal to summation j running from 1 to n f of alpha j into fj. So apply this theorem to the T transpose of Gi. Okay. आठवते का हा theorem पाहिलेला आहे?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so applying the same theorem for T transpose of Gi. Okay, so we have this T transpose of Gi is equal to summation j running from 1 to n. This is T transpose of Gi. कोणाला अप्लाय करणार? Fj. What is Fj? Alpha j. Sorry, alpha j काय तुमचं काय वेक्टर. Okay, into Fj. Is it correct? Instead of f काय येईल तुमच्या इथे? T transpose of Gi. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now we have to find the value of this one, T transpose of Gi of alpha j. Okay, first we have to find the value of this one. So first we find the value of this linear functional. Okay, find T transpose of Gi of alpha j. Okay, give it as equation number 4. Now consider T transpose of Gi of alpha j. By the definition of transpose, This one is Gi of T of alpha j. Is it correct?
Yes.
By definition of T transpose. Okay. But what is the T of alpha j? This is Gi as it is. This one. Okay. So instead of I, write here K. Okay. So this one is T of alpha j. T is the mapping from V to W. Okay. This is n dimensional. This is m dimensional. T of alpha j is the element of W. Okay. So this we can write in the linear combination of K running from 1 to m. Okay. M dimensional. Into AKJ instead of AJ, AKJ into H elements types away beta 1, beta 2. So this one is beta K. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is GI. So which is equal to GI is the linear transformation from 2 right here from 2. So GI is the linear transformation. So we can write this one is summation K running from 1 to m. This is GI of AKJ into BK, beta K. Okay. Since GI is linear. Okay. So AKJ, what these are the scalars. So take outside. So this is summation K running from 1 to m AKJ into GI of beta K. Okay. Again, same reason. Now run K is equal to 1 to m. Okay. Run K is equal to 1 to m. काय होईल मग K जर मी in between 1 to m हा GI कोणाला ट्रान्सफर हे कोइन्साइड होईल BI ला. ओके. And the value of this one is इथे काय येईल AIJ. Is it correct? K
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to I ला. Okay. In between 1 to m कुठेतरी I असेल. In between 1 to m here I is there. Okay, for K is equal to I. So here we get AIJ. Here GI as it is. This one is BK instead of BK is BI. Now GI of BI, value of this one is 1. Now this coefficient is AIJ. And all the other coefficients are 0 by the definition of dual basis. Look at it. Okay, this one. Okay, for K is L is equal to I, we get this one is delta K is equal to I. This one is II. Okay, sorry, L. So delta LL. So delta LL is 1. Or L is equal, K is equal to L. Delta L, K, LL is 1 and all the other coefficients are 0. Scalars are 0. So here we get by the definition of dual, this one is AIJ. Okay, so this is the value of T transpose of GI of alpha J. Okay, now substituting this value in 4. Substituting this value in equation 4. What is equation 4? This one. T transpose of GI is equal to. So hence, T transpose of GI is equal to summation. Look at here. Equation number 4. Summation T transpose of G is equal to summation I is running to J running from 1 to N. This one is AIJ. Okay, value of this one into FJ. Okay. Summation J running from 1 to N AIJ FJ. Okay, this is equation number 6. From equation 3 and 6. Okay, what is equation number third? Look at it. From equation 3, this T transpose of Gi is equal to what? Summation I running from 1 to n. Okay, Bji into Fi. Okay, so value of this one is summation j running from 1 to n Bji Fj, and which is, and right hand side j running from 1 to n Aij into Fj. Okay, so this is equal to summation j running from 1 to n Bji, okay, minus Aij into Fj is equal to 0 functional. Okay, now we have this F1, F2 up to so on Fn. Okay, j running from 1 to n are linearly independent set. Okay, because F1, F2 up to so on Fn, these are the basis element of which one?
V star.
V star. Okay, hence it is the linearly independent set. Then the above equation implies Bij. Okay, this implies Bji. So above equation implies Bji minus Aij is equal to 0. Okay, where I running from 1 to up to so on m, and j running from 1 to up to so on n. Okay, so this implies I running from 1 to n. Okay, j running from 1 to n. Okay, and I running from 1 to m. Hence, Bji is equal to Aij. Okay, hence what is Bji? Matrix of B. Matrix of T transpose. Matrix of T transpose with respect to beta 1 star and beta star, which is equal to T transpose, is equal to what? Transpose of, instead of writing this one, write this. This one is matrix P. Okay, and this one is A transpose. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
ओके, बी म्हणजे काय तुमचा Bij, ए म्हणजे काय Aij. इज इट करेक्ट? सो Bij काय येणार? सो बी ट्रान्सपोज काय येणार? Bji. ओके, किंवा असंही लिहू शकतो तुम्ही. Wait. This is Bji, that means B transpose, and this one is A. That implies B is equal to A transpose. Okay, what is B? Matrix of T transpose. Matrix of T transpose with respect to beta 1 star and beta, and this is A. What is A? Matrix of T with respect to B and B1. Is it correct? Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, so today sufficient today's. Okay, the remaining lecture, remaining part we will see in the next lecture. Okay, थोड़ा टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लेम होता त्यामुळे हा मला लॅपटॉप जरा दुसरा घ्यावा लागला. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so thank you for the attending the lecture. You can leave now. Okay, thank you.